What's up guys, the Canadian are here today, and it's a video of Nerf Roar. It's my first video of Nerf, and I'm gonna do a video of Call of Duty. And I want you guys to subscribe and press the like button and comment below if you want other videos. And I hope you enjoy. And I had like this kind of camera, so cool. It's like follows you. I just take it to my gun. So enjoy. And guys, I have one more thing to say. We're doing ta-ta-ta-ta because I don't have special effects. I don't know how to do that because it's my first video of like YouTuber, and I hope you enjoy. And this is me, Ricky McGrath 345, and I hope you enjoy. I know I say enjoy a lot because I want you guys to like and subscribe, because I want you to go on Maxim videos and go. It starts. Ta 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 ta.